Welcome to our channel, where we strive to raise awareness about critical issues affecting our society. Today we are delving into the hidden crisis of overworked public defenders in the justice system. We'll explore the consequences of high caseloads, limited resources, and the impact on defendants' legal representation. So let's dive right in. 1. The reality of overwhelming caseloads. Imagine a world where you are accused of a crime, but you can't afford to hire an attorney. You're granted a public defender, someone appointed by the court to represent you. But what if that defender is juggling over 100 cases, struggling to give each one the attention it deserves? This is the reality for many public defenders across the country. They are inundated with cases, often far more than the recommended maximum workload. The result? A justice system that struggles to deliver the fair and effective legal representation that every defendant deserves. 2. Limited resources, compromised representation. With limited funding and resources, public defenders often lack the necessary support to effectively represent their clients. They may have little time to investigate cases, consult with experts, or even meet with their clients before stepping into the courtroom. These constraints can have severe consequences. A defendant's fate may be sealed by the quality of their legal representation, and when a public defender is stretched thin, their ability to provide an adequate defense is compromised. 3. Exploring innovative solutions to improve public defense. To address the crisis of overworked public defenders, innovative solutions are being explored, such as increased funding for public defense. This would enable the hiring of more attorneys, investigators, and support staff, reducing the workload for each defender. Workload caps. Implementing limits on the number of cases a public defender can handle would ensure they have enough time to provide quality representation for each client. Leveraging technology. Streamlining case management, communication, and research through technology can help public defenders work more efficiently and effectively. Community-based initiatives. Preventative measures, such as crime reduction programs and alternative dispute resolution, can lessen the burden on the justice system as a whole. 4. The risk of wrongful convictions and injustice. When public defenders are overworked and under-resourced, the risk of wrongful convictions and injustice rises. Defendants may be coerced into accepting unfavorable plea deals or face convictions based on inadequate legal representation. Innocent people may end up behind bars, while the true perpetrators of crimes remain free. The human cost of these injustices is immeasurable. Lives are shattered, families are torn apart, and public trust in the justice system is eroded. 5. Potential solutions and innovative approaches. Addressing the crisis of overworked public defenders requires both immediate action and long-term strategies. Potential solutions include increased funding for public defense to hire more attorneys, investigators, and support staff. Implementing workload limits to ensure that public defenders can provide quality representation. Establishing training and mentorship programs to support public defenders in their work. Encouraging pro bono work from private attorneys to share the burden and increase the availability of quality legal representation. Innovative approaches are also being explored, such as the use of technology to streamline case management and communication, as well as community-based initiatives that work to prevent crime and reduce the need for legal intervention. 6. Making a difference for fair legal representation. Change starts with awareness. We can work towards a more just and equitable justice system by shining a light on the challenges faced by overburdened public defenders. We can begin to address the crisis and work towards a more just and equitable system. It's essential to support policy changes and initiatives that improve public defense, and to hold our elected officials accountable for ensuring access to quality legal representation for all. You can make a difference by sharing information about the crisis with your friends, family, and social networks. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on crucial social issues. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below.